Wait, come on!
It's California cold right now.
Yeah, why
it's
is it?
70 degrees out.
And this guy's wearing shorts and like a wool jacket. I like ice cream on a cold weather day.
I love ice cream on cold days.
See, this is why we're friends.
I love ice cream on cold days.
This is why we're friends. Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted to like go to the grocery store and grab every single flavor of ice cream. Is that possible? Can we do that?
Everything is a buffet if you try hard enough.
I love it. That's a great line. Yo, tagline. Right there. There it is.
Maybe we just make like a sundae using like a scoop of every flavor.
But what about the toppings? Can we get toppings?
Sure, we get toppings, man. Sprinkles! How funny would it be if we got like healthy ice cream? If we got like a shit ton of ice cream and it was all enlightened, I bet a massive sundae would be like 500 calories.
I mean, each pint is what, like 320 calories?
Yeah. So whatever they have on the shelves, we have to just get.
I'm with it. Let's do it.
Sprouts, we are here. Sprouts pro tip. Always get a little coffee for your roaming pleasure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 flavors, dude.
20 flavors?
Yeah. Okay. Bananas Foster. Birthday cake.
Boom.
Red velvet. Peanut butter. Cold brew coffee. Hey. Triple chocolate.
Yes.
Movie night.
I love
New
it.
one. French toast. S'mores.
Yes.
Butter pecan.
Yes.
Cookies and cream. Chocolate peanut butter.
Chocolate peanut butter, that's my jam right here.
Snickerdoodle. Sea salt caramel. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Caramel oatmeal cookie crunch.
What? Let me see that.
Frozen hot cocoa. Mint chocolate chip. Black cherry chocolate chip.
Okay. I think we're gonna need more than this.
Here's the thing, I've had a couple people eye us while we're doing this. I feel like we should just clean it out so they can't buy it. It's so cold. Tag team, go.
Look at all this ice cream.
There's a lot of ice cream.
We're inviting some friends over because you gotta eat with your friends.
I feel like there's 100 pints here. All right, has anyone ever tried this ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, what's your favorite?
Glazed donut. Ooh, glazed donut.
Sorry, making business deals.
I want to build a huge ice cream sundae. Scoop number 1. Nick's gonna get the flavor.
Put it in my mouth.
You gotta get the whole thing.
Oh, Nick, you're gonna get this one, bro. What flavor is this?
Chocolate.
Oh my god, it's a s'more!
Yes, s'mores! Okay, who wants to see if Seth can do this? Oh, you just showed Seth? Right?
It's on your shirt.
He starts making it.
French
Oh,
toast.
it's
French toast.
That definitely tastes like French toast.
Oh, I got some ice cream on my pants. Nah, I just mixed it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, Nick. Nick, it's fine.
Alright, let's
All
build
right,
this Sunday.
All
Let's
right.
build this Sunday.
So should I close my eyes now? Which is doing it?
Oh, this is perfect. Ice cream right now.
Like waffle cone.
This is French toast.
Damn.
What's this guy?
Red
Red
velvet.
Oh, red velvet.
Chocolate and it
peanut butter.
has peanut butter inside.
That's what's up, man.
Fudge brownie. What's that?
Caramel oatmeal cookie crunch.
Give me that.
Bro,
I want that.
Like, that is the best one.
That tastes like a cookie.
All right, this thing's coming together, I think.
What's the weight? What's the weight?
Like 5.5 pounds. Guys, I have an idea. Let's see who can build the biggest cone.
I'm with it. Let's do it. That's not a bad idea.
All right, this is a squad, and this is a squad. However you want to do it, tallest cone wins. You can build it in this, in the cone holder, but it has to be a real cone. You have to be able to pick it up. And then there's liquid nitrogen there, and we got professionals who can use it.
How many times can we use the liquid nitrogen?
Do we have a time limit?
Unlimited? We're gonna just like quickly have a team meeting over here. Okay, here's my plan.
It's not cheating. It's called being resourceful. Yep. Look, they're copying our method, man.
Oh, that's cool.
What's the time limit?
Time limit is you guys losing.
First scoop going in.
That's one scoop.
All right, let's hit it. Can we get some liquid nitrogen over here?
Liquid nitrogen.
Yo, what?
We got about 9 scoops in right now.
Yeah, we're 9 scoops deep.
It can't be scoops. That doesn't make any sense. You
There we
have
go.
triple the distance, the area than us.
Well, that's because y'all did it your way.
That's
We
because you
started off.
It's getting real foggy in here, man. I can't see anything. Shut up.
Wait, come on! I'm scared! Oh god!
Hold up, let's just get a dope photo of this.
We're losers! Gia, take a picture. Of me alone.
Teams are neck and neck.
Give me some nitro.
I think that's just the pretty one.
Perfect for the camera.
Hey, you want some ice cream, bro?
No, get out of my
You
face,
good?
Seth. Get out of my face. Stop being happy.
Wow, we did it, guys. That's how you go in.
Oh my god, it's gonna fall! Stop!